We've done research about Bali and people basically only come here to do waterfalls and beaches. So we wanted to do something completely different, and that's why we've come to a chocolate cacao farm, to be more specific.
I think we all know what chocolate is, that addictive food that sells pretty much in every shop. Did you know that every year the world consumes 8,130,000 tons of chocolate? Well, that's the same weight as the Eiffel Tower, the Burj Khalifa, and 1,350,000 elephants. Today, we will be discovering how the best chocolate in Indonesia is made. So if you are a chocolate lover, this is a perfect video for you.
Just from outside here, it smells so good. Pure chocolate. Oh my god, Buba, look at this! They don't just have chocolate, they also have the massive fruit. Like in Portuguese that's called jaca, but I don't know if it's the same in English.
The chocolate farm we came to visit today is Cacao Chocolate, a local farm in a village that inspired the name of the brand, Cacao. This brand was originated by a local family in 2014, and now they export to several countries in Asia. This specific farm has been divided into two areas, and our tour started right over here.
That's a really big one. Yeah, you got like very small and then like that is huge.
When is the season then for the cacao?
We don't have the season all the year.
Oh, all the
Oh
year.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh my. That's why there's so much chocolate in the world.
Fruit, yeah, that's ripe one, 5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 months.
Yeah.
Oh wow. First one, do you get that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Organic is like, this is the only one.
So there's more chocolate farms in Bali.
Yeah, they organic, but we have audit from the government that's every year. They check the soil, anything, make sure that our soil is not chemical material.
Nothing chemical here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. That's really good.
So, but the people, they come here, yeah, they say, yeah, this is the best chocolate here.
Oh, okay.
This is better than another.
It's a lot of pressure today then.
Yeah, we have to try the chocolate. We are chocolate specialists. Eat chocolate every day.
Chocolate maker?
No, we just eat chocolate every day.
Chocolate lover.
Chocolate lover, yes.
Thank you very much. Oh, it smells very strong of chocolate. Very nice.
Oh wow.
So is that to take the shell?
Yes, to remove the shell comes out. Yeah, we still manual here.
Do you do anything with the shell?
No, we just use for compost.
Okay.
Natural fertilizer.
And then does the raw bean after the shell or with the shell?
Roasted bean.
Roasted.
With
With
roasted.
shell.
Yeah, like
roasting.
burnt.
That's we sell also roasting with shell, and also to make chocolate. Yeah, we must remove the skin,
Yeah.
and we make to be a small piece like that one.
It smells very nice.
Yeah.
Like dark chocolate.
We then had the opportunity to try a bit without the shell.
Just take it now. Thank you.
So
Yeah,
It's crunchy.
This is the new one.
It looks like a coffee.
Yeah, it's like coffee, but you can feel the difference here. Our cacao here, the premium.
It tastes like nuts, like peanuts.
Yeah,
It
like nuts.
tastes like peanuts. You can taste
Pastel
it.
peanuts.
yeah, a hint
At
of
the
chocolate.
end, you get chocolate. It's
Yeah.
sour as well.
Do you know the recipe why it's different with the another bean? Because we make fermentation.
Fermentation.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay.
fermentation we can reduce the bitterness, and we get like the special taste like the egg seed or sour.
Yeah, yeah. It's a bit
Feels
like
like
at the end. Yeah.
After a quick tour of the first area, we went on to the second area. Here is where they have the fermentation phase, and this is where we also got to open a cacao pod.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the inside. If you open the inside, it's like this, yeah? Has many seeds,
Oh.
starting from the 20
Oh, it's like
until
jelly,
it's like jelly.
viscous.
Yeah,
Sticky, yeah.
sticky.
No,
It's
I
very
can just-
sticky. Yeah, and we call it pop, the white pop. And the white pop is not the same. Sometimes sweet, sometimes sour, sometimes they are mixed and sour. And where is the chocolate bean? The chocolate bean that's inside the white. If you open, it has like purple color. That's the chocolate bean. And the next process, we make fermentation here. Yeah, we make fermentation here to get more strong flavor of chocolate, and we can reduce the bitterness, lower the bitterness, because the real taste of chocolate is very bitter. Yeah.
Yeah, very
And we need the pop to help fermentation, because the pop that's contain glucose or sugar. Already contain glucose
Already
or
has it.
sugar.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
To make fermentation, we make natural fermentation here. The skin here we can use to make compost, the natural fertilizer, and also we can use to make natural pesticide. We call it ecoenzyme, to make ecoenzyme. Coenzyme, that's natural pesticide. That's all natural pesticide that we make it
we're
here.
made with the skin.
Yeah, the waste
so
of
you
the
use
fermentation.
everything.
Yeah, from nature we give back to the nature. This is the fermentation. Yeah. Few information how we make fermentation here.
Yeah, banana leaf.
Yeah,
I thought it was
leaf.
bamboo, and
no,
then I was like,
banana leaf. Yeah.
banana
Do you
leaf.
put vinegar or
No,
It's got
No.
a smell
or
of
you
vinegar.
just leave it there and then
we just use the banana leaf because banana leaf that contain chlorophyll.
Oh, so the banana leaf
Yeah,
is the one
the hot
fermenting.
from the fermentation, they will absorb the chlorophyll from banana leaf. So the why is the smell is like vinegar.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it is very strong.
Yeah, until the pulp is already comes out from the bean, as you can see here, like this. Until the bean is very clean, without the pulp, and then the bean is ready to dry under the sun. Yeah, we dry under the sun, we reduce water content, our standard here, until 7.5%. This little bit hot,
Yeah.
yeah, it's like sauna.
Sauna.
Yes, please, yeah. You just open, it doesn't matter, yeah.
Oh, it is. It
Yeah.
smells so strong. Like it smells a bit like alcohol.
Yeah.
Yes, alcohol smell. I don't know what alcohol to name, but it smells very strong. Oh, so it breaks. That's 100%.
100% breaking.
1,000%. Oh, so this one fermented or not fermented?
Fermented, all fermented here.
Oh yeah, it smells like chocolate. Very
Yeah.
strong. Yeah. Oh, it's very hot.
we thought this farm only had cacao, but we were very wrong. By the way, we wanted to say thank you to Kadek, our tour guide. She was amazing and she answered every single question we asked.
And also we have durian here. Do you know durian?
Oh yes,
The
durian,
stinky fruit.
Yeah.
It's getting start the season of durian. So that's the flower.
Oh, that's very
Yeah.
very small. Yeah.
Yeah, small to be a big fruit.
I'm loving every minute of this tour. It's just so cool and so informative as well.
And this is coffee. Yeah,
Coffee.
it's all coffee. Yeah, this is robusta coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah, this is all coffee. The robusta coffee.
I didn't know coffee looked like that.
Really?
I don't know. Yeah, I've
And
never
the
seen
smell
coffee.
and the smell of the flower. That's very good. It's like a no, that's the leaf.
Just double check
It's like jasmine. You
Yeah.
know jasmine.
Is it the
yeah,
white
this is
one?
the.
Oh
smell
yes,
it.
I see
It's
it.
still,
This one here.
but the fresh one. Yeah, smell it. But the fresh one.
Oh, it's very strong. It's like a candy.
Because
Just make
in
it.
our restaurant we just we produce.
Oh, you
only
just
for-
use your own
yeah,
coffee.
so
in
we
the
just sell
restaurant.
the Bali coffee, the black coffee.
Oh, that's
yeah.
very nice. Yeah.
Maybe you ever hear
Yes,
about the Mayan
Mayan
and
Aztec,
Aztec, yeah. But for a long time ago, they make a drinking chocolate. They add some spiciness. They add some chili and some clove. So the taste is bitter and spicy. They use for medicine, not like now the drinking chocolate they just for drink. Yeah.
Yeah.
But for a long time ago, the people they use for medicine. Yeah. And then the for Mayan and Aztec, the cacao is like precious thing. Yeah. So they use same like money for a long time ago. The same use like money. They change with another things. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it seemed like money for
You
a
will
long
be
time
rich now.
ago. Yeah.
Very rich. Very.
And then the Euro people went to America and then meet with Mayan and Aztec, and then they introduced about the drinking chocolate to Euro people, but the Euro people they didn't like the taste. Yeah, why? Because bitter and spicy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
too
but they're
much.
curious about the seed. It's not possible to bring the plant in Europe. Yeah, because the weather is
Weather.
not good. Yeah, so they only bring the cacao bean in Europe, and then they introduce with the king in Europe, the rich people in Europe. Yeah, so in Europe you had milk, you had sugar, the mix.
Yeah.
So the taste of chocolate drinking is more better.
Yeah.
Yeah, but only enjoying by the king and the rich people because the price is expensive. Yeah, and then the Spain people come to Indonesia. And then they introduce about the cacao to Indonesia people, and then the first place they visit Sulawesi Island, the part of Indonesia, the island of Indonesia, and then spread all of Indonesia until in Bali. So why we have cacao here in Bali? That is
okay.
just short story. The Spain people.
Yeah. He's from Spain. So
Oh, you're Spain.
you are the chocolate
so
bringer.
Criollo.
It says criollo.
Yeah, the
Criollo.
Spain people they say with the
Forastero.
This is foreigner.
yeah,
Forastero.
yeah, you know, yeah. This time to waiting for you taste the fruit.
Is this like a family business or
Leave
is
the
it?
water here.
Oh yeah, it's family. Yeah. My owner, that's the father, the founder of Cacao Coklat, Mr. Alit, and the son now. Yeah, they continue.
They're from Indonesia.
Yeah,
They're
from
Bali.
here, local
here,
here.
yeah.
Chow. Yeah. But basically, they have knowledge about farming. Be careful.
Can you see that? Oh, that was so easy. It's done.
Strong.
Got myself a cacao. It just looks like a mango to me.
We just hold the fruit like this one, not like this, because if like this, you can hit your finger. Yeah, hold like this, and then hit in the middle, and keep turn around. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Feel you angry.
Is it hard? Hard? Or?
Harding. Hard.
Keep turning, keep turning.
Yeah. Oh, professional.
He's done it before. Definitely.
You can help my friend here.
Oh, you can see it cracked there.
Are you hiring any new?
Yeah, the sound will be different after you crack
Oh,
it.
there we go.
Oh, look at you.
The big reveal. The
Oh,
juicy.
yummy.
It's like,
The balm.
you know what it
Lychee.
reminds me like? The cream that you use for hair, like you know when.
Conditioner.
Yeah. Yeah.
The first time.
But the people in the Mexico, they used to make juice from the white one, but I don't know how they can get it from. Yeah, but
Yeah,
because it's
it looks
difficult.
very-
Yeah, it's very hard.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's so sweet. A bit sour, but
Yeah.
like lemon,
Yeah.
a bit lemon sour.
So sweet, but
Sweet and then turn
Yeah.
to sour, right?
it is a mango.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, more sweeter than this one.
That's beautiful color.
Yeah.
After seeing the farm, we went to see the mini factory. It was really cool to see the machines and how the chocolate is done. But before trying the actual chocolate, Caro had to try a roasted bean and
It's very sour.
so nice.
Try.
It smells so chocolatey.
Yeah.
And of course, we couldn't finish a cacao farm tour without trying their incredible chocolate. I can comfortably say that my favorite one was the 60% salted chocolate with coconut sugar.
And mine was the strawberry one, 100%.
And as a surprise from Kadek, towards the end she opened the durian flavored chocolate. And if you didn't know, durian is the smelliest fruit in the world.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad. Oh my god. I don't even It's so bad. Oh, my eyes are watering.
Smell it.
Oh,
Yes. I don't know. It's,
oh my eyes
Oh,
are watering.
I can smell it.
yeah, close.
Oh my god.
It's not a nice smell.
My eyes are literally watering. Oh. Well, and this has been our Bali Cocoa Farm tour. It was honestly the best experience we could have hoped for. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.